Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Jerk fried chicken. The jerk chicken, it's been marinating for about a day in there, so I'm gonna cook it now. You need flour, you need a bag to put the flour in, the jerk seasoning for the chicken, of course, and you need some oil for frying, and that's it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get to it. Let's do this. Alright, do about 4 at a time. They're going in a deep fryer. I'm gonna do about 4 at a time, so see that's nicely seasoned. See what color it is, so you know the seasoning all down in the chicken, so good. Look at that. Alright. It's about 4. Alright. Our oil is on and popping. On and popping. Alright, so see? I'm gonna coat it really well with flour. Alright. Now, if you want to do a double coating, then your oil can't be ready, because then you're going to have to take this chicken out, shake it off, and put it on a little platter or something, and you put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. And you let that flour soak down on it. Then you come back and you put it back in the flour again, give you a nice double coating. So, all right, now over to the deep fryer. Yeah, put the deep fryer over a little bit. Now, how about we do that? Put our deep fryer over a little bit. Let's see what's happening with it. All right, move it up a little bit. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yep, that's really good. All right. Put our 4 wings down in here. Let's see what happens with them. I don't fold mine if you want to fold them. I do fold them sometimes. But in this case, I'm not. So I'm just going to put them in and... Okay. Look at that. Fried jerk chicken. Thanks for watching Savory Spices. See y'all next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.